Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Homescapes. So without any further ado, let's get started. So there are three ways to uninstall this app. The first way is to simply tap and hold on the app. And here you can see app info option, tap on it. Now click on the uninstall option in the bottom section of your screen. And if you're sure, tap on the OK button. Similarly, the next way is to go to Settings application, scroll down your screen, then tap on the Apps option, click on Manage Apps. Here in the search bar, type in Homescapes. And here you can see the uninstall option in the bottom section of your screen, tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on the OK button. And finally, the last way is to go to Play Store application. In the search bar, type in Homescapes. Click on the app. And here you can see the uninstall option, tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on the uninstall option once again. So that is how you can uninstall Homescapes application. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down with any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for future videos.